Hi guys, Ben from FlowBrackets. Today, we're going to show you how to do an OEM plinth delete kit on a Tesla Model 3 Highland or facelift. All right, so what's the problem? The problem is this OEM plinth is just too big and oversized, and we've made a miniature version to replace it, and you won't even need to drill holes. All right, to remove it, it's super simple. You just need an 8mm socket and remove the 2 bolts. Now grab our miniature plinth. It comes with all the hardware and bolt it on. Now that you've changed over to our miniature plinth, it's become a modular mounting block. Now what that means is we have a number plate bracket to suit every number plate in Australia. So if you've got a slimline plate, then you would use a slimline bracket. If you have a standard plate, you would use a standard bracket. And if you had Euro plates, you'd use a Euro bracket. So today we'll be installing a 3 to 4 character bracket to suit a 3 to 4 character slimline. Let's go. The last step is to get your number plate onto the bracket. All right, number plates on the rear of the Tesla. What we like to do is delete the rear OEM plinth, and people are asking why we should be doing that. In some cases, some specialty plates like this Heritage, where the mounting holes are here and here, they don't align with this plinth. And same with Euro plates. They also don't align with the plinth as well. And that's where our bracket comes into play. If you remove these 2 screws, the bracket will go back onto those 2 screws, and then you can mount your number plate on. Today, we're installing 3 to 4 character slimlines on a Tesla Model 3 Highland. This is a new plate from the new manufacturing, and we can see that these holes don't align with the plinth somehow. Now, the old one does. So that hole and that hole should be 210 millimeters apart from the old batch, but the new batch doesn't quite align, but that's okay. We're developing this new bracket that will fit the new batch. So if you have the old batch of 3 to 4 character, you use these 4 holes. And if you have the new batch, you use those 4 holes. All right, to remove this OEM plinth, all you will need is a T20 Torx bit. Just take out the 2 screws and replace it with our bracket using some spacers, and you won't have to drill anything at all. All that's left to do is use the hardware provided in the kit. Just make sure that you use the spacers to step off the bracket off the paintwork. And the last step is to get your number plate onto the bracket. There you go, guys. That's how you do a rear OEM plinth delete on a Tesla Model 3 Highland facelift. All you need to do is grab a matching bracket that matches the sizes of your number plate and bolt it on in its place. There's no drilling required. Whether you have a 3 to 4 character slimline plate from the new batch or the old batch or any other specialty number plate, we've got a bracket to suit. Hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.